In the hand, it looks absolutely gorgeous. The slim design, the smoothed out corners and edges. On the bottom, you get the speaker grill, the USB Type-C port, and your SIM tray. Over on the side, a power button. On the other side, a volume rocker. With the Vivo X300 Pro and the lens extension, well, things get pretty exciting. Let's just try a little bit of bird watching here. Look at the quality, look at the texturing. Have a look at the feathers, for instance. You can zoom in. I'm at 536 millimeters, and it is absolutely stunning. It's seeing wildlife like you've never seen it. It's a whole new frontier of photography, something you haven't seen on another smartphone. Just look at the detail. With this edge-to-edge stunning display, the vibrancy, the feathers, everything shines in the details. There you can see the actual image quality, 538 millimeters, f-stop 2.67, ISO of 936, and it's being in a stunning garden setting like this that you can find other wildlife and things to really have fun with. Something you wouldn't get on another mobile device. It's the frontier of new photography, this, and it looks absolutely sensational. This is shooting in a wildlife setting with the Vivo X300 Pro, but now let's take it somewhere else fun. Let's take it over and above the skies, because this, of course, soars way above the others. The screen is edge to edge and looks fantastic in the hand. You can see when you jump into it, the 6.31 inch LTPO AMOLED panel works at 120 Hz, and that makes for vivid, bright and impressive imagery. Using the system, it's incredibly snappy and battery smooth, partially thanks to the 120 Hz display panel, and of course in big part due to the processing power. See, this device uses a MediaTek Dimensity 9500 3nm chipset. 512 gigs of memory is on offer, as well as 16 gigs of RAM plus an additional 16 gigs. It's LPDDR5X RAM. You also get an impressive 6510 mAh battery, and I need to mention 90 watt flash charge with the included charger in the box, as well as 40 watt wireless charging. This phone gives seriously impressive performance, and that is of course also down to this, the Zeiss optics, the camera. It's got a 200 megapixel lens, a 50 megapixel, as well as a 50 megapixel ultra wide lens. You take this with its advanced array of optics and built-in array of shooting modes and tools, and what you've got is a seriously impressive device with the Vivo X300 Pro. welcome to night mode on the Vivo X300 Pro. Holding this up, you're seeing, well, it's very, very different.